Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Arfat, and we have to discuss a very important integration, that is sin square x cos square x of dx. So here sin square x cos square x we can write down in a single square here. Now it is sin x cos x to the whole square. If we have to multiply with 2 and divided by 2, so this is cos in the square. Now this is 2 sin x cos x, it becomes the formula sin 2x. We have the formula here. Because we have the formula here, sin 2 theta, it is equals to 2 sin theta cos theta. We have the formula, so that is why we have to multiply and divide with 2. Now it is 2 sin x cos x, it is equals to sin 2x. Now we have to separate the square here, so this is sin square 2x of dx. Remember that the whole power will be on the function, not on the angle, and 2 square means 4x. Now here we have to separate 1 upon 4 here, and this is sin square 2x of dx. We don't have the direct integration of sin square 2x, so we have to reduce its formula here, and we know that here, that is sin square x, we have a formula here, sin square x, it is equals to 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. We have a formula sin square x, it is equals to 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. So therefore sin square 2x will be equals to 1 minus cos 4x upon 2. Sin square x, it is equals to 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. So therefore sin square 2x will be equal to 1 minus cos 2 multiplied by 2x, that is 4x upon 2. So just we have to put the value here. Sin square 2x, it is equals to 1 minus cos 2x upon 2 of dx. Now we have to separate the integration here. 4 2s are 8. So this is here 1 minus cos 2x of dx. Separate the sign of integration here, 4x. So now here this is 1 upon 8. We have to separate the sign of integration. 1 upon 8 cos 4x of dx. So here the integration here, so this is 1 over 8x minus cos 4x integration is sin 4x divided by 4. The constant will be divided by. So this is the integration here, 1 over 8. 8 4s are 32. This is sin 4x plus c, and this is the integration of sin square x cos square x of dx. Thank you so much, dear students. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Arfat. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.